So it was a whole lot yesterday till today. So how do we start the system and how do we turn it off? So right here is, it's currently, you can see that the whole house is lit up. And yes, the whole house is lit up right now. Now we have this changeover on inverter on solar. So if I take it off, you see the whole house goes off. Now, and there is no NEPA right now. So as you can see, it's not on because there is no NEPA right now. So when we put it down back, we have the solar light on, and we have the current, all the system is smart. We have the inverter reading how much load we have in the house. This is 130 watts currently on all of the light bulbs getting turned on. Yes, and the battery is currently 77%. Also, the battery reads how many percent, so you can have your state of charge. You can know how much you still have left to get it charged, and you can also know when to switch it off, tell you if it's fully charged or not. So what else do you have to know? When it's fully charged, either with DC breaker, either with the panel or with, if it's with the panel and there is no electricity and it's fully charged, you just have to turn it on here and you see that this turns to 0.0 amps immediately. But when it's still charging, ensure that this is always on. This will be on. Now, when you, in case, I mean, you told me that there's no electricity here, but in case there is electricity and the weather is really bad and you want to charge the electricity, this is a 20 amps. This is a 20 amps breaker. All you have to do is just turn it on like this, like this, and you can charge the electricity. But now, since there's electricity, the breaker is off. And yeah, those are just surge protectors. You don't have anything to do with that. So, is there anything else I'm missing out? Yeah, it's a lithium battery system. That means that you can have more cycles to yourself. Energy source we don't have is the battery, so we just want to optimize it. It's not like it can also carry a whole lot, but the number of hours it will carry it. If we put so many things on it, we'll reduce to get. But if we're very, very strict with the things we put on it, like we are intentional with the light load. So instead of just putting, because all of the light load right now is 130 watts. We're intentional with it, and instead of 130 watts, we'll have it like 15 watts light load. So 130 watts or a 1.2 kilowatt hour battery will last for about, only 130 watts will last for about 9 hours. But if it was a 15 watt hour load that we have on it, it will last for about 19 hours. Yes. So about 80, between 80 and 90 hours, 1,000 divided by 15. Let's say we have 1,000. Yes, so it will last for about 18 hours. So, but you know, it's not just the lighting that you want in the house. You want to charge your laptop, you want to charge your power, you want to charge your phones, and all of those things. So as much as you're around in the afternoon, since your still works very late into the night, it's preferable that she maximizes the afternoon. But when she's not around in the afternoon, alongside our computer, which is very essential that she needs to do with, she needs to ensure that the lighting system is quite light. It's charging now. Yes, that's another thing. When it's discharged and it needs to charge, it can make a sound, and the sound is not scary. It's just a fan running. It's just a fan running to cool the electronic system, the electronic circuit, so that it doesn't get heated up. Yeah, so is there any other thing I've not had? Is there any other question?
What is fully charged? Do I have to turn it off there?
Yes, please. We don't want it to overcharged. We don't want it to overcharge. Currently, it's 77%. So that's, we have like 3% countdown. So even when it's 1999, you can turn it off. So just discharge a bit before you start charging now. In fact, you have a lot of, maybe around 90%, and you have a lot of load on it. Maybe, yes, I didn't ask you how many watts your blender is.
I didn't check it.
Yes, please, thank you. So that we can know off completely. You can put it here to turn it off. But you won't turn off the system. You put it off like this, the system is still working. But no, it's not working, but it's just still on. And just like when you have your, like it's not exactly like that. Well, let me see when you have your generator on, but you put up all the loads in the house. So if your generator is malfunctioning or functioning well, it is not your business. But it's still working, it's still burning fuel. Yeah?
Okay.
So,
But is it safe to leave it like this?
there's no problem to leave it like this. However, you don't have to always leave it like this if you don't want to. You can come here. The whole system shuts off. Here. It's like the stabilizer thing.
Yeah.
Yes. The whole system shuts off. But the battery still charges. Every other thing still charges, but the only thing is that it doesn't supply the house.
Okay.
Yes. So let's find out. Can it? I'll have to change this. So can you power this? Let's find out if it's the power. This is the 1 watt blender. It's not What else is there? It's on turning, but